Starting with this delicate white dress. Floral lace details look so elegant. Intricate lace along the neckline here. Absolutely feminine and incredibly soft. Cinched waist fits the figure perfectly, accentuating gorgeous curves gently. It creates a stunning silhouette. Soft floral pattern adds sweetness. Sweetness mixed with an alluring look. Posing with hands on the waist, highlighting the shoulders beautifully. Ideal design for a petite frame, enhancing natural beauty gracefully. The fabric flows like a dream, creating such a romantic vibe. A closer look at the lace trim, showcasing high-quality design. Simply gorgeous from every angle. Pure elegance in white. Touching the rose hair accessory, showing off the neckline clearly. White symbolizes purity and charm. The cut remains incredibly alluring. Feeling confident in this piece. Beautiful in this exquisite outfit. It hugs the body just right. Fitting perfectly without being tight. Perfect choice for romantic evenings. Or just for feeling self-love. Movement is so fluid and graceful, capturing essence of delicate beauty. Turning slightly to show profile. Designed to be chic and stylish. Final poses with white lace. A true masterpiece of design. Look how it shapes the waist. Very flattering for the figure. Gentle fabric against the skin. Makes you feel like a princess. Subtle yet very effective style. The lace is soft, not itchy. Quality you can really feel. This dress is around $4.50. Such a great deal for style. Perfect for petite ladies too. Makes the waist look tiny. One last spin in white. Admire the flowy skirt detail. Timeless and classic white color. Getting ready to change now. Preparing the next cute outfit. Saying goodbye to the white lace. Here comes the baby blue set. Transition to blue set. Baby blue satin ruffle set. Looking incredibly soft to touch. Luxurious sheen catches the light. Shining beautifully with every move. Cute ruffle details on the hem. Shorts allow a playful touch. Touching the hair gently. Showing off delicate camisole straps. Two-piece set offers total comfort. Effortless style for lounging. Baby blue color is soothing. So easy on the eyes. Fits perfectly on the body. Freedom of movement looking chic. Must have for sleepwear collection. Smoothness of satin against skin. Relaxing yet stunning vibe. Shorts show off some leg. Simply adorable and elegant. The ruffled top adds volume. Makes the waist look tiny. Very cute design for home. Feeling cool and comfortable here. Adjusting the top slightly. Perfect for a cozy night in. Or a lazy Sunday morning. The blue tone complements skin. Looking fresh and vibrant. This set is free-size fitting. Fits 40 kilograms to 60 kilograms easily. Very versatile and stretchy. A closer look at texture. Shiny but very classy. Loving the short pants style. Cool and airy for summer. Posing confidently in blue. It creates a youthful look. Final moments with this set. Getting ready to change. Something pink is coming up. Wait for the pink magic. Transition to pink gown. Soft pink satin nightgown magic. Deep V-neck is mesmerizing. Tie detail adds allure. Unique flower pom-pom accents. So charming and delicate. Only around $8.15. Incredible value for this look. Silk material flows like water, highlighting every single curve. Adjusting the front tie now, creating the perfect silhouette. Pink hue is soft, romantic, utterly feminine and sweet. Feels as good as it looks. Pure luxury in every touch. Timeless design for confidence. Brings out inner beauty. Showcasing delicate back design. Graceful and poised movement. Flower details add whimsy, adding a touch of allure. Can't get enough of this. Soft, dreamy pink color. Truly a standout piece. The dangling flowers are cute, adding movement to the dress. Very unique and eye-catching. The fabric quality is superb. Smooth silk glides on skin. Feeling like a goddess here. Deep cut is daring yet chic. Confidence level is rising. Posing to show the flow. Light pink is very flattering. A closer look at details. The craftsmanship is lovely. Holding the flower accents. Such a playful addition. Turning to show the back. Low back is very elegant. Perfect for summer nights or special romantic occasions. The pink is so gentle. Still admiring this gown. Hard to take this off. It feels like second skin. Touching the elegant bun. The vibe is soft and sweet. One last pose in pink. Ready to switch the mood? Going for something bolder. More vibrant and intense. Wait for the red dress. It will be worth it. Changing the style up. From sweet to stunning. Just a few seconds more. Transition to red dress. Passion red side tie dress. This red is absolute fire. Color demands all attention. Screams absolute confidence. Side tie design reveals skin. Very alluring and bold. Priced at approximate $7.60. An absolute steal today. Adjusting side ties to fit. Waist looks perfect here. Red silk drapes effortlessly, creating a stunning figure. It is bold and beautiful. Simply unforgettable look. Open side adds a twist. Modern and spicy detail. Perfect to make a statement. Fabric feels cool and smooth. Gentle against the skin. Admiring the fit and color. Vibrant red shade stands out. Definition of elegance. Meeting allure in one dress. Look at the side detail. Just enough skin showing. Tasteful yet very hot. The spaghetti straps are thin, showing off the shoulders. Red represents passion. This dress embodies that. Turning around to show flow. The back is simple yet nice. Focus remains on the side. Such a creative design. Wearing this feels empowering. Strong color for strong vibe. Adjusting the skirt slightly. The length is just right. Not too short, not too long. Perfect balance of style. Red contrasts with fair skin. Don't forget to like and sub. Leave a comment below please. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Stay stunning and beautiful.